Hello everyone, today we are going to introduce our new product, IBridge. It is a product which enlarges the little pins on the 4 connectors of motherboard and parts and allow you to test the voltage and resistance with a multimeter even when the parts and motherboard are buckled. In one box of IBridge, we have 4 iBridges for 4 phone parts. LCD screen, rear camera, front camera, and tail plug. Now we connect the iBridges with the motherboard to test the resistance. Now we connect the LCD screen with the iBridge. The front, the rear camera, the front camera. Now we are going to give it power supply by our iPower. We turn on iPower. There is display on the LCD screen. Now we are going to test the function of front camera. It works well. The rear camera, yes, it works well too. Now we're going to test the voltage of the motherboard. The idea of the IBridge have been emerged at the beginning of 2018, and it took our team 1 year to find and research and collect the correct data by finding over 100 masters in China. We have seen many technicians get bothered by unhandy tools and lack of access to repair phones. We want to change that. That is why we established Tianli Tool Plus. Our initial intention is to design and manufacture original and efficient repair tools for technicians and help them to repair. And we made it. In the past days, we have focused on research and development. We invented iPower, iSocket, square hole stencils, black stencils, iBrush, hotbed, and so on. We won't stop our steps. Today we launched this new tool, IBridge, which has no generic product in the market, and we believe it will change the whole industry again.